I got a wonderful recipe suggestion from one of my great subscribers. Thanks, Joan. And this recipe is for a banana bread that's made out of garbanzo beans, or they're called chickpeas. I have to see what this is like. All the ingredients are going to get put in this blender. 2 ripe bananas, 2 eggs, a drained and rinsed can of garbanzo beans or chickpeas, some type of sweetener. I'm going to use a bit of agave, a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of lemon juice, teaspoon of orange juice, teaspoon of cinnamon, teaspoon of vanilla. Let's make a dough. Fold in some chocolate chips and pour it into a loaf pan. And somehow this is going to turn into bread. I'm going to cook this at 350 for about 45 minutes. This ought to be exciting. Garbanzo bean banana bread. Now how's this going to taste? It does have a bready texture, even though there's no flour in that. You would never guess there was beans in that, because chickpeas, garbanzo beans, do have a distinct flavor, and I don't taste it. It is a tasty bread. Thank you, Joan, for suggesting it. I'm going to give it a 6.8 out of 10. I accidentally planted the wrong flower in my garden. It's an oopsie daisy.